Live from Nasdaq's MarketSite, I'm your host, Christina Ayanian, and joining me today is Chief Revenue Officer of Airbase, Philippe Lacor. Philippe, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, you just helped ring the opening bell at Nasdaq to celebrate GGV's SMB Tech 50 list. Congratulations on earning a spot on the list. How does it feel like being here?
It feels awesome. We really want to thank GGV for the invitation. There's all these great companies here. Everybody's building. You can feel the energy. You can feel the excitement. So it was fun doing it.
Can you talk a little bit more about Airbase and the types of companies that you service?
Yeah. So we are a modern spend management platform. So we help companies manage all their expenses, all their spend. And we do this through several different ways. Companies pay bills. They use corporate cards. They reimburse employees. And we help employees guide through how they buy stuff. And all of that is in one platform. So it works really well. We built for the office of the CFO, so accountants, controllers, and procurement people. And the question is always, how can I be compliant with the company? And when companies get bigger and when they go international, that becomes more important. And the problem is that you want to have processes that are very light. Otherwise, the employees will not comply. So how do you bring compliance and adoption together in one platform? And that's what we do.
And as Chief Revenue Officer, you were brought on board a year ago to join the company. How has the company scaled since then? And where do you see it going in the next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, the company has been moving at light speed. It's really fun. The pace of innovation is really high. Last week, we announced another procurement product. A month ago, we announced some fraud prevention. So things are moving really rapidly. We got a great team, and we just keep listening to customers, working to customers, and innovating really fast and things that matter to them.
That's incredible. Why did you decide to specifically focus in procurement, fraud prevention, and the office of the CFO?
Well, we think that the finance team should be able to be strategic, but very often they're bogged down in chasing people for receipts. They have a tough time closing their books because all the spend is in different systems. And we felt that if we can bring all of that together, automate it, then finance teams really have the time to be strategic, and they can help maneuver companies through these macroeconomic times.
It's really a holistic platform.
Holistic platform.
Yeah.
So we save money, we give more control, save time for companies, and that makes finance teams better.
That's incredible. Why do you service small to medium-sized businesses? Why is it this specific sector that you're focused on?
Yeah, we found that companies from 100 employees to 2,000, that's an underserved market. When companies are really in the early phases, then their finance is really simple. But as they start growing, many companies get a CFO from when they have 200 employees, and the finances become more complex. They go to new general ledgers, and we felt that we could offer a lot with helping them manage their spend.
Where do you see the industry going in the next 5 years?
Well, we think more consolidation of individual tools are going to happen. We obviously see more AI coming in. We already have like what we call optical character recognition to scan invoices and scan receipts. And that is an AI-driven system. So we'll see more of like integrations with other systems, data, insights, workflows, all of these things come together. So it will remain very dynamic.
Amazing. Well, we're excited to follow. Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations again.
Thanks again. Thanks for having me.